Alrighty, welcome back. We're talking Tyler Perry Studios, and we're going to have a little look-see. Why not? Alright, so Tyler Perry Studios is an American film production studio in Atlanta, Georgia, founded by actor, filmmaker, and playwright Tyler Perry in 2006. In 2019, Tyler Perry celebrated the grand opening of his newest Atlanta studio location. He purchased 330 acres of the former Fort McPherson complex in 2015 to make it the new home of Tyler Perry Studios. Now, Tyler Perry Studios is one of the largest film production studios in the nation and established Tyler Perry as the first African American to outright own a major film production studio. Through 34th Street Films, the production arm of Tyler Perry Studios, Perry guides the work of other filmmakers. In 2018, Tyler Perry sold his previous studio, opened in 2008, to another film production company. The previous studio occupied two former Delta Airlines affiliate buildings in the Greenbrier area of Southwest Atlanta and included 200,000 square feet of sets and office space. Tyler Perry Studio was first established as the Tyler Perry Company, Inc., and was rebranded as Tyler Perry Studios in 2006. Besides Perry's own project, the other projects have filmed there, such as The Walking Dead and so forth. Black Panther as well. Now let's get into the history. Perry has full ownership of his movies, and Lionsgate Entertainment serves as his distributor for all of the films, with exception of Nobody's Fool, which was distributed by Paramount Pictures. His first movie, Diary of a Mad Black Woman, produced on a budget of $5.5 million, became an unexpected commercial success, promoting widespread discussion among industry watchers about whether middle-class African Americans were simply not being addressed by mainstream Hollywood movies. Its final gross box office receipts were $50.6 million, although it was critically panned, scoring only 16% approval rating on the website Rotten Tomatoes. On its opening weekend, February 24, 2006, Perry's film version of Medea's Family Reunion opened at number one with $30.3 million. The film eventually grossed $65 million, and like Diary, almost all of it in the United States. The film was jump-started by an hour-long appearance by Perry and his co-stars on the Oprah Winfrey Show. His next project for Lionsgate, Daddy's Girl, starring Gabrielle Union and Idris Elba, was released in the U.S. on February 14, 2007. It grossed over $31 million. Perry wrote, directed, produced, and starred in his next movie, Why Did I Get Married?, which was released on October 12, 2007. It opened as the top-grossing movie in its first weekend, earning $21.4 million at the box office. It is loosely based on the play, which Perry wrote in 2004. Filming began March 5th, 2007 in Whistler, British Columbia, Vancouver, then Atlanta, where Perry opened his own studio. Janet Jackson, Sharon Leal, Jill Scott, and Tasha Smith appear in the film. Perry's 2008 film Meet the Browns, which was released on March 21st, opened at number 2 with a $20 million weekend gross. The Family That Prays opened on September 12, 2008 and grossed over $35.1 million as of October. Madea Goes to Jail opened at number 1 on February 20th of 2009, grossing $41 million and becoming his largest opening date. This was Perry's 7th film with Lionsgate Entertainment. On March 1st, 2012, a 4-alarm fire engulfed portions of the studio complex, causing the partial collapse of one building. Less than 3 months later, another fire broke out on the roof of another building on the morning of August 27, 2012. Alright, so that's a brief history of Tyler Perry and the studios, and for more information, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Now let's look at the videos and photos of the new Tyler Perry Studios.